Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Comfortable English channel, where learning English feels simple, relaxed, and enjoyable. I'm really happy you're here with us today.
Hello, Sarah, and hello to all our lovely listeners around the world. Wherever you're listening from today, thank you for joining us.
Daniel, it's great to see you. You look very calm and peaceful today. Something good must have happened.
You're right. I feel calm. I feel relaxed. This morning, I spent some quiet time outside, and it really changed my mood.
That sounds wonderful. What did you do?
I went for a long walk near my home. There's a small park close by, and I decided to start my day there.
That already sounds like a perfect start. How was the weather?
It was beautiful. The sun was shining softly, there was a light breeze, and I could hear birds singing. Everything felt slow and peaceful.
I love moments like that. And actually, Daniel, what you just described is a perfect introduction to today's topic.
Oh, really? Now I'm curious. What are we talking about today?
Today, we're going to talk about spending time in nature and how it helps us, not only in life, but also in learning English.
That's a great topic. Nature is something we all need, but we often forget about it.
Exactly. In today's episode, we'll talk about why nature is good for your mind, and we'll also learn useful English words related to outdoor activities.
That sounds perfect. We can talk about walking, hiking, picnics, and many other activities.
Yes, and we'll also share simple ways you can practice English while enjoying nature.
Before we begin, though, we have a small request for our listeners.
Yes. If you enjoy our podcast and find it helpful, please take a moment to subscribe to the Comfortable English channel.
Clicking the subscribe button really helps us create more episodes for you.
And if you like today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who wants to learn English too.
Thank you so much for your support. It truly means a lot to us.
All right, Daniel, let's get into today's conversation.
Let's do it.
You mentioned earlier that you felt relaxed after your walk. How did you feel before you went outside?
Honestly, before the walk, I felt a bit stressed. My mind was busy with work, messages, and daily responsibilities.
I understand that feeling very well. Modern life can be fast and noisy.
Exactly. But after about 10 minutes in the park, something changed.
What changed?
I felt calm. My breathing slowed down, and my thoughts became quieter.
That's the power of nature. Spending time outside is very good for our mental health.
Mental health is an important phrase. It means how our mind feels and how we handle stress.
Yes, just like we exercise our body, we also need to care for our mind.
When I hear leaves moving in the wind or birds singing, I feel more present.
That feeling is connected to a word many people use today, mindfulness.
Mindfulness. It sounds like a big word. What does it really mean?
It means being fully in the moment, not thinking about yesterday or tomorrow, but focusing on what is happening now.
So if I sit on a bench and only watch the trees, that's mindfulness?
Yes, especially if you are not looking at your phone at the same time.
Ah, phones. We spend so much time on them.
We really do. Screens are everywhere. Phones, computers, tablets.
That's why nature is perfect for something called a digital detox.
Digital detox means taking a break from technology.
Exactly. When you go outside, you can put your phone in your pocket and look around instead.
Look at the sky, the trees, the water. These things are real and calming.
Nature helps us reconnect with the real world.
Walking in a park is one way to enjoy nature. What other activities can people do outside?
There are many options. One popular activity is hiking.
Hiking is a great word. Can you explain it simply?
Hiking is like walking, but usually in the mountains, hills, or forests. It's often longer and more active than a normal walk.
Is hiking difficult?
Sometimes. It depends on the path. Some hikes are easy and others are challenging.
Good shoes are important for hiking, right?
Very important. Comfortable shoes protect your feet and make the walk enjoyable.
What do you usually take with you when you go hiking?
I always bring water, sometimes snacks, and a small backpack.
A backpack is very useful.
Yes, and sometimes I bring a map, especially if I'm visiting a new area.
The best part of hiking is often the view.
Absolutely. When you reach the top of a hill and look around, it feels rewarding.
It makes you feel strong and proud. Hiking is great, but not everyone likes long walks. What about something more relaxing?
Then picnics are a perfect choice.
I love picnics. They are calm, social, and delicious.
Describe your ideal picnic.
First, I need a soft blanket on the grass. Then I bring a basket with food.
What kind of food?
Simple food, sandwiches, fruit, maybe something sweet, and a cool drink.
That sounds lovely.
I enjoy sitting under a tree, reading a book, and eating slowly.
One small challenge with picnics is insects.
Yes, ants especially, but they are part of nature too.
That's true. When we are in nature, we share the space.
Another outdoor activity people often talk about is camping.
Camping means sleeping outside, usually in a tent.
A tent is like a small house made of fabric.
Some people love camping, and others find it a little scary.
I like the idea of camping, but the dark forest at night can feel strange.
The sounds at night can surprise you, but they are usually just animals.
One nice thing about camping is sitting around a campfire.
Yes, and looking at the stars.
In cities, it's hard to see stars because of lights.
But in nature, the sky can be full of them.
What about biking?
Biking is another great way to enjoy nature.
It's good exercise and also fast.
You can see a lot in a short time.
And the wind makes you feel free.
Freedom is a great word to describe nature.
Now let's connect this topic to learning English. Can nature help us learn English?
I believe it can. Nature is a great place to practice vocabulary.
Give us an example.
When you walk outside, look around and name what you see.
Tree, flower, bird, cloud.
Yes, say the words out loud or describe them in full sentences.
The tree is tall. The sky is blue today.
You can also bring a notebook and write what you see.
This kind of practice is calm and pressure-free.
And you are not staring at a screen.
Nature is also good for conversation practice.
That's true. Walking with a friend makes talking easier.
You don't need to look at each other all the time.
Side-by-side conversations feel more relaxed.
But what if someone lives in a big city?
Even a small park, a garden, or a single tree counts. Nature doesn't have to be far away.
You just need to slow down and notice it. Daniel, do you have a challenge for our listeners?
Yes. This week, I want everyone to spend 20 minutes outside without using their phone.
20 minutes is very doable.
During that time, name 5 things you see in English.
That's a great challenge.
Talking about nature makes me want to go outside again.
Me too. But first, we should finish today's episode.
True. This was a refreshing conversation.
Nature reminds us that we are human, not machines.
We all need green spaces.
Before we go, let's quickly review today's ideas.
Nature helps mental health.
Outdoor activities build calm and focus.
And nature is a great place to practice English.
Before you leave, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already.
And share this episode with a friend.
Leave a comment and tell us your favorite outdoor activity.
Don't worry about mistakes. Just try.
Thank you for listening.
Have a wonderful week.
Go outside, relax, and practice English.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.